यहाँ से 230।
Hello everyone. Right now I am in Dansri River, beside the Dansri River. So with me, Paul Sunari is also with me, the chief chef. The celebrity chef is also with me. Okay. So Paul, what are we going to cook today?
Today I want to make this grilled chicken.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are going to prepare grilled chicken. Now behind me you can find the railway crossing towards Rangapar, and in front of me you can find the Taiku Bridge. Paul എന്ന മഹാനായ കുക്ക് ഷെഫ് എന്താണ് വിളിക്കേണ്ടത് പോളിനെ എന്നറിയില്ല. പോളിൻ്റെ കൈപുണ്യമാണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ പരീക്ഷിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. പോളെ ഓക്കെ. പോളിന് മലയാളം അറിയില്ല, പക്ഷേ ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കുന്ന മലയാളമാണെന്ന് മൂപ്പർക്കറിയാം. And I can show you the place. This is Taiku side of Dimapur district. So here you can also find the ruins of a bridge. This is actually built in the British period. Now due to some flood situation it was washed away, but you still can find the ruins of this British bridge. And so this is a weekend situation. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Yeah. We started to how to make grilled chicken.
Yeah.
And you have to learn how to make grilled chicken. You also come in that place, and you can also make how to easily make grilled chicken. So
sometimes during the weekend you may visit this place on the riverside, and you can have this open cooking. So you have a fresh air here. I mean the river is little muddy, but still it's cool air here. So this is the ruins of British bridge, which was washed away in some floods. Okay. Now this is called Dansri River. Find a gate which was also part of the ruins, and then I am now panning the camera towards the river. This is where the old British bridge used to lie, and now it's all broken. Now you can find the ruins over there. Sky is little cloudy. It might even rain, so without wasting much time we are going to start the cooking process. Let's have a conversation with Chief Chef Paul Sunar. So Paul, tell us, how are you going to cook this?
See sir, you can. आज हम आपको चिकन बनाने के लिए सिखाएंगे, चिकन ग्रिल. बस उसके लिए हम लोग को लिए मसाला बनाना चाहिए. स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग का मसाला रेसिपी. ये पहले हल्दी.
Oh, haldi. You are going to apply haldi.
Yeah.
So one by one all the masalas are going to get added.
ये जीरा पाउडर.
Jeera powder is there, and haldi powder is already mixed. And then
coriander powder, धनिया powder.
Coriander powder and dhania powder, same.
और ये आपका मीट चिकन मसाला.
All right, little bit of chicken masala is also added.
और ये आपका गरम मसाला.
Okay, garam masala is also getting added.
और ये आपका मुंह में स्वाद बढ़ाने वाला चिली पाउडर.
Yeah.
आप कितने चिली लेंगे?
No, you decide. You are the chief chef. It's for both of us, okay, not just for me. So we are going to experiment this. Okay.
और ये रहा आपका लेमन.
Yeah, lemon we will do it later, little. Now itself. Oh, fine. नमक.
जो हम लोग को स्वाद देगी ये चिकन खाने के लिए.
सॉल्ट थोड़ा कम करो भैया. इतना ज़्यादा सर.
ये तो सब गिर जाएगा ना नमक जलते समय में.
ओके ओके.
मसाला रेडी हो गया. अब उसको मैरिनेट करना है. थोड़ा सा पानी.
ओके. थोड़ा थोड़ा बारिश आ गया.
थोड़ा थोड़ा क्लाउडी माउडी है आज का डे.
आज का डे थोड़ा क्लाउडी है.
थोड़ा क्लाउडी. या आप लोग का हम लोग का मसाला रेडी हो गया.
अच्छा.
चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको मैरिनेट करने के लिए.
ओके.
जितना जल्दी हो सके हम लोग उतना जल्दी खा के निकल सकेंगे पानी बारिश से पहले.
अच्छा.
लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. अंदर से.
So Paul is applying the masala on all the sides of the chicken. So he is making sure that the masala is properly applied.
मैंने ये सब काट दिया है मीट को अच्छी तरह से पकने के लिए. कोई लोग गोटा बना देता है वो सब मत करना. अंदर में कच्चा रह जाता है ये चिकन. तो अप्लाई करते समय जहाँ तक मसाला होना चाहिए फ्लेवर होना चाहिए खाने का समय में. तब आपको जाके टेस्ट मिलेगा चिकन ग्रिल का. ये मसाला आ गया उस पे.
ओके. इट लुक्स लाइक यू आर गिविंग अ शावर टू दिस चिकन. ओके.
नहीं ऐसा कोई बात नहीं. वो देखो उसको मरने के बाद में भी इतना फैसिलिटी मिल रहा है कि जाके उसको मसाला से नहला दे.
ओके.
उसके बाद में थोड़ा देर का बाद में ये पेट का अंदर चला जाएगा. तो पेट का अंदर जाने के बाद में सुबह में बैंक पे डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा.
ओके ओके ओके. See, this is a small chicken because for two of us it's enough. That's why we bought a small chicken.
और नेक्स्ट टाइम दूसरे समय में हम लोग मटन खरीद के करेंगे. गोटा मटन. उस समय आदमी थोड़ा ज्यादा होगा. अभी कोरोना के इशू की वजह से हम मेरा दोस्त लोग भी आने नहीं सक रहा है.
അപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് കുറച്ച് മലയാളം സംസാരിക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളത് ദിമാപൂരിലെ ഡാൻസ്രി എന്നറിയപ്പെടുന്ന ഒരു നദിയുടെ കരക്കാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളൊരു ചിക്കനൊക്കെ വാങ്ങിച്ച് ഇവിടെ ഒന്ന് എന്താ പറയുക ഗ്രില്ല് ചെയ്യാൻ വെച്ചു. സോ ദിസ് ഫയർ പ്ലേസ് ഈസ് ക്രിയേറ്റഡ്. ഹിയർ വി ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു ഗ്രിൽ ദ ചിക്കൻ. So Paul जी, बारिश आ गया.
बारिश आ रहा है. थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी भीज रहा है. पता नहीं क्या होगा हम लोग का आज चिकन ग्रिल होगा कि नहीं होगा पता नहीं.
It's not big downpour. It's just a drizzling. It's just drizzling. It will go. Paul has just set the fire. The smoke is coming, but I can't see the fire.
Wild challenging.
Man versus wild challenger. Okay. Oh, is it raining? No, not really.
We are starting to grill.
Our chief chef is now eating
samosa.
Yeah. And then now when you look at the chicken, it's getting grilled and the fire is also burning. It will take almost half an hour, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it
We
will.
have to roast it nicely. No?
Yeah, it will get fried properly. And this is called grilled chicken. A very common item. Now whenever you are going for an outing, you can try this. So you buy one chicken piece and you get a rod, iron rod, and then you prepare a small hearth like this, and then you heat it, and it will not take more than 40 minutes. Within half an hour it should be ready. Yeah. So Paul,
Sir,
yeah,
take one piece samosa.
yeah, sure, thank you. Yeah, Paul is now rolling the chicken. The chicken is almost grilled. You can see the flesh is getting burned, right? Yeah, the fire is burning and the chicken is getting burnt. Now, is it the destiny of all chickens? Our grilled chicken is almost ready. So the color is almost black. I mean, at least the surface area of the flesh, it is black now. Maybe like 5 to 10 minutes it will be fully ready, fully prepared. So this is the artwork of Mr. Paul. He's the chief chef of Fire Canteen. Paul is relaxing. So, by the way, smoking is injurious to health. Paul is preparing a simple salad.
So it's ready. Salad.
Yeah. Now the grilled chicken is ready. Let's take it. Yeah, it's ready. Hey, your hand will get burned, man. Use something, huh?
No, it's okay. It will be done.
An iron man. You look at him. He's carrying the heat iron. Okay, this iron is very hot. He's still carrying it. Hey, keep it, man. Keep it. You're already playing with the fire. I'm sure you. Let me show you your palm. My God, you are such a Iron Man. Now Paul is going to taste the piece of a grilled chicken which he himself has cooked. Yeah. You don't lie. Tell me the real taste. Don't lie to me. Okay. Okay, I will also check.
The real taste is too good.
Too good.
Just try it.
Yeah, I will also try. Let me see if Paul is lying or not. Yeah, it's good. This is our lunch today. We have already prepared black chana fry, and then the grilled chicken and little bit of onion piece and lemon. So this is what our lunch. So that's all for today. So we are going to wind up the session.
Wait. I can see a man. A man is trying to cross the river. He is really an adventurous man. I am going to catch him this sight. Maybe for him, this is part of his daily adventure, the adventure of everyday life. I hope he will safely reach the other side.
So that man has already crossed the river and he has successfully reached. Let's give him a big round of applause.
It's time to leave.
You can find a stone mill nearby this Dansri river, and we are returning now. So bye bye Dansri river. We had a good day with you.